Oh, we got gold. Dude, we got gold. Holy shit. Alright, Wolfpack, we're ready for another adventure. It's been forever, so I decided to do something, at least get, out there somewhere. And so taking the doggos, they're gonna enjoy it. I'm gonna do some metal detecting, so that's gonna be interesting. First time trying it out, and my brother's joining along as well, so that's gonna be awesome. In the meantime, we just hit up our local Stripes for breakfast tacos. Hell yeah, baby. About to start munching and hit the road, so I'll see you guys when we get there. Let's go. Alright, y'all, made it to the island. Hell yeah. And I just noticed there's a Jeep Gladiator in front of me, straight from Wisconsin. From Wisconsin, man. He's doing winter right. Alright guys, made it to the beach, posted up right by the water. I don't have the brightness, can show you guys. Also here with me is my bro and Daisy. So they're gonna be chilling with me, maybe do some metal detecting later. We'll see what's up. In the meantime, I'm gonna give these guys a sleigh ride, tire them out, and yeah, give them some fun, right baby? Bro. Hell yeah. Alright babies, come on. Alright babies, over here. Let's go. Let's go. Over here. Alright, alright. Alright. Okay guys, so we're giving this another shot. The first attempt was a complete failure, but I was more on the wet sand. So right now I'm gonna test it on the dry sand and see if that does any difference. And depending on that, I may need to air down the tires. Maybe that'll help the float, but we'll see. Okay. All right, let's go. All right, babies, come on, go. Yeah. Oh, sorry, buddy. I just drop kicked you. I just kicked Mars in the face. But y'all saw that, right? I think like this just gets stuck, and then I go flying. Maybe if I aired it down a bit. Yeah, that's about. See if that helps. Let's go. So I think it rode a bit better, but then it like sunk. Yeah, they're not in this mode. Let me try it again on wet sand, on harder sand. See how that does with the low air tire. Go. Let's go. 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 Oh, go, go. Go. Almost. Almost. Oh yeah, let's try it running back. Let me get more over here. I'm gonna try it over here. That was better. But my doggos are overstimulated right now. Let's go. Go, go, go. Nope. All right. All right. Now I know why people use kites for this and use the wind to ride it. Whew. Nah, but they did better a little bit on that round. But like you said, I think they're overstimulated right now, so they're not on the sledding mode.
Yeah.
But it's all good. It's all good. Good run, right, mamas? Good job, babies. Good job. Oh shit! Oh shit! That got high real quick. Here. Woo! Tide came quick. Got a water bottle. Woo! We do not want to get stuck. Those back tires are submerged. Alright guys, time to do some metal detecting. Alright, we're live. Things reading. Only thing is that the beeper doesn't work because the speaker got rusted out and I don't have headphones either, so we're just gonna have to rely on the screen and see if we can find some treasures. So apparently I did some light skimming on the internet and there's apparently a legend of gold of a pirate, well not a pirate, of a ship that sank somewhere in South Padre Island, and from like the maps it says it's around the East Cut location. Unfortunately that's like all the way over there at the end of this island, and right now the tide's really high that it's pushing all the way to the sand dunes, so it would make that trip like a little treacherous maybe, like with all the water. And I'm not trying to be risky right now, especially with guests. So we're playing it chill and gonna do some light metal detecting. Luckily there's not that many people, so it should be a pretty chill session. Also, my brother says he felt something move under his feet, so that got things going. Right, bro?
What's up?
What'd you say you felt moving?
Oh yeah, like
Hold on, get the mic.
so I know what that feels like, but I was standing here still, we were talking, and I felt vibration under me. There was nothing passing by, no cars, no trucks, and it's empty out here. So I felt like pounding, like if someone was pounding under me, and I felt it twice, and it was like straight vibration under me.
That's how they get you. They're under the goddamn ground.
And I thought earthquake, but and it would have been worse. Y'all would have felt it, but
Yeah, I didn't feel shit.
I was literally like just like right here, and then I felt it, and you were talking, and I thought maybe like the dogs did something, but the way sound works, I don't think I feel anything. So it's pretty trippy.
Alrighty guys, we're back to the spot. Oh shoot, I'm already picking up stuff. I'm getting the 25-50 cent marker, which is the highest marker, so hopefully there's some valuables, maybe we'll see. But the point in question is right here, right where the shovel is at. Alright, so I'm getting nickel pennies. I'm getting the whole range right here. Hold on, let me move the shovel. So I'm getting 5 cents and 1 cent. So I'm getting 5 cents and 1 cent where we were at. So let's see what we get.
Nope. Just
Alright, we're still getting a reading. It's reading everything. Oh, is that something? No. False alarm. It looked exactly like a penny. And I was like, oh, it's just a sand covered penny, and it fell apart. Alright. The heck? I'm still getting a reading in the hole. Alright. Still getting a reading, but I don't know what it could be. But it just keeps filling back up with like sand. Alright, I didn't see anything. Sweet. It's still getting a reading. Ah, you see that? Like sand just keeps going back in it. Oh, I felt something hard. What the hell? I don't know if I'm tripping, but I see like shiny stuff, like sparkly stuff.
It is like
But I think it's the moisture, like trapped moisture, maybe. Because I just touched one that was like super sparkly and it just disintegrated like sand. Alright, well, we didn't find anything on the first one.
And the 50 cents coming up.
Yeah?
Or like, how do you read it?
Alright, so yes. So you get like 3 levels, 50 cents, and that is the highest range. So that's like the more you'll probably get like rings, valuables there. So that's like the sweet spot, and then you get your less valuables, and then finally this is more like you're probably gonna get like caps, like bottle caps and screws. So that's usually how those things, like what you find at those levels. You're welcome. I keep getting like 50-cent pings, but then they disappear.
Disappears or what?
Yeah, like it gets a quick ping and then it disappears, and I hover back and then nothing. So I don't know if it's like a false. All right, let's see. Right here should be one scoop. Yep, there it is. I felt something. Should be something like low scale. All right. This one might be too deep. Five plus, yeah, 8 inches plus. But it first told me like 2 inches. Yeah, we're already hitting the water here, so I don't think there's much there. Nah. Oh, maybe I was reading the shells. It was the shells.
Shell.
Yeah. Nothing else. It's a shell.
Oh.
Right? Not just shells, black sand. There's black sand. What's that? Oh, is this quartz? Oh, we got gold, dude. And we got gold. Holy shit, can you hold this? So it picked up on the valuable scale. Gonna go wash it off. Come on, babies. What the heck? So I don't know why this is registered as valuable. It looks like what? Eroded shell, maybe.
Yeah.
But this looks trippy though.
Yeah.
I haven't seen that before. Yo, if any of you guys know what this is, put it in the comments. Yeah, it does look trippy. Huh. But nope, I don't think it has gold. Unless that's gold pouring. Nah. You see that bit right there? Alright gang, didn't find much, just like an eroded shell or some sort. I gave it like 5 good tries, but nothing good came out. Also, I don't have like the perfect gear for it. For example, they have some shovels where you can just like dig and rinse it out in one go. That way you're sure that, you know, you're scooping what you're supposed to be scooping. But it's all gravy. I mean, I was just trying out the hobby, and I mean, it's pretty chill. You're just at the beach side, waving a wand around, seeing if you stumble upon any gold. I could get behind that. Also, I did look into that supposed treasure legend, and apparently that one is supposed to be located around the East Cut, so that's like right at the end of this island. So maybe I'll do another adventure. This time I'll go to the East Cut and try to metal detect what they call Money Hill. So apparently that's where there's a shipwreck and there's supposed to be treasure on those sand dunes. So if you guys want me to hit that spot up and metal detect there, put it in the comments and I'll check it out. Hell yeah, baby. Alright guys, well, is that cool or what? I don't know if you can see it. There it goes. Just chilling, flying over everyone. It's badass. Alright, Wolfpack. Dave signing off. Dropped off my bro at his car, so he's gonna head out too. Again, this was more a chill day. I know the dogs are like tired. They're already like taking a nap, so mission accomplished there too. Also, for those of you who stayed till the end, on the last video I also mentioned I'm working on a small business and I'm thinking of starting to plug it into my channel now and maybe sell some custom shirts. So I do have already like one sample shirt for a Jeep Life t-shirt that I custom whipped out and it looks pretty rad. And then also for my Mustang Ventures, I also made a badass digital print of a Mustang stand out with the background of like Japan, and it looks like a badass like JDM shirt. So I based that one off the drifting ideas I have for my Mustang, so hopefully that helps fund that as well. And yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Again, custom made, so there'll be originals. So yeah, stay tuned with that. More on that later. Let me know what you guys think about the idea and if the design concept I have in mind are rad, because yeah man, gotta hustle. Also, for those of you that like the sports car stuff, someone already mentioned hitting up the track, and it is a plan down the road. Right now I got still got some minor suspension issues I need to work on before I can like head out to the track though. So let's see when I can get an update on the Stang. I'm also working on a custom grill piece, so that's a project guys, lots of projects. We'll see what ends up happening. So peace.